Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Gurjeet Virk Sidhu, Assistant Professor, Department of Sociology, MCM DAV College for Women, Sector 36, Chandigarh. Today, I am explaining you one of the important topic in sociology, that is Sanskritization. Now, what is Sanskritization? The concept Sanskritization was first introduced by Professor M.N. Srinivas, who is one of the famous Indian sociologists. He explained the concept of Sanskritization in his book Religion and Society Among Courts of South India, 1952, to describe the cultural mobility in traditional caste structure of Indian society. Definition of Sanskritization given by Srinivas is that the process of mobility of lower caste by adopting vegetarianism, teetotalism to move in the caste hierarchy in generation or two. Or we can say that in simple words, the process by which a lower caste or tribe or any other group changes its customs, rituals, ideology and the way of life in the direction of higher or more often twice born caste. Then move on to features of Sanskritization. Features of Sanskritizations are very simple. First, Sanskritization plays an important role of upward mobility. That is, it is a process in which a caste is trying to increase its position in the caste hierarchy, not at once but over a period of time. So, with the help of Sanskritization, there is an increase of upward mobility. Second, mobility is playing an important role in Sanskritization, and with that, there is a positional changes also occurred with the help of Sanskritization. Thirdly, it plays an important role to provide higher economic and political power to low or ritual caste people after Sanskritization, and they felt that their claim to higher position was not fully effective. Fourth, economic betterment is there with the help of Sanskritization. Sanskritization is not only confined with the caste but with human community. It is found in tribal communities also. So that thing is very much clearly mentioned by M.N. Srinivas that it is not related with human community but it is related with tribal communities as well. The process of Sanskritization is also serves as a reference group. At last but not the least, Sanskritization does not take place in the same manner in all the places. So in the next lecture we will discuss further. Thank you.